where learning meets opportunity. Welcome to New Era Institute. At New Era Institute, we're not just about education, we're about transformation. Whether you're seeking to upgrade your skills, switch careers, or gain a globally recognized qualification, we provide the support and training to help you achieve your aspirations. Australia stands as a top destination for international students, renowned for its world-class education system, diverse culture, and many career opportunities. Studying here is more than just attending classes, it's a chance to grow, gain independence, and build connections worldwide. With a friendly atmosphere and strong student support, you'll enjoy a great mix of learning and lifestyle. At New Era Institute, we don't just teach, we empower. Our focus is on practical skills, immersive training, and strong industry links that give you a competitive edge. With expert trainers, modern facilities, and flexible study options, we ensure an engaging learning experience. Plus, our affordable tuition makes high-quality education within reach for everyone. We believe in rewarding excellence. High-achieving students may be recognized with special academic awards and additional support, ensuring that their dedication and success are valued and encouraged. Did you know? Studying in a regional area Australia comes with unique benefits. Lower cost of living, friendly community, and access to quality education make Windsor an excellent choice. New Era Institute is located in the heart of Windsor. Our campus offers a perfect mix of affordability, convenience, and opportunity. With a lower cost of living and a friendly community, students can focus on their studies while staying close to family and part-time job options. Windsor is just 25 kilometers from Blacktown and 35 kilometers from Parramatta, making it as accessible as commuting from these hubs to Sydney CBD. By train, it's roughly 50 minutes to Blacktown and an hour to Parramatta, giving students easy access to job opportunities and city life, while enjoying a quieter, more budget-friendly place to live and study. Courses we offer: Certificate 4 in Aging Support, develop essential skills to provide high-quality care and support to the elderly, ensuring dignity and independence. Diploma of Community Services, prepare for leadership roles in community support, welfare, and social services sectors. Certificate 3 in Early Childhood Education and Care, develop foundational skills to support young children's development. Further studies to Diploma in Early Childhood Education and Care, build on your foundational skills and take on more advanced responsibilities in early childhood settings. Graduate Diploma of Management, advance your leadership and strategic management skills to excel in senior educational and corporate training roles. Advanced Diploma of Civil Construction Design, specialize in planning and designing major civil construction projects. Advanced Diploma of Information Technology, master cutting-edge skills in IT solutions, specializing in cybersecurity and telecommunications network engineering. Develop expertise in protecting digital systems from cyber threats, and gain hands-on experience in designing and managing advanced communications network, paving the way for high-demand global careers. Certificate 4 in Kitchen Management, gain essential skills in kitchen operations and management. Diploma in Hospitality Management, build expertise in managing hospitality operations, customer service, and event coordination, preparing you for leadership roles in the hospitality industry. Certificate 3 in Automotive Electrical Technology, learn to diagnose and repair electrical systems in vehicles. Further studies to Certificate 3 in Light Vehicle Mechanical Technology, gain expertise in servicing and repairing modern light vehicles. Further studies to Certificate 4 in Automotive Mechanical Diagnosis, learn advanced diagnostic techniques to troubleshoot and repair complex vehicle issues. Diploma of Automotive Management, develop leadership and business skills for managing automotive enterprises. At New Era Institute, we're committed to your success. Our programs are designed to be practical, industry-relevant, and affordable. With experienced trainers, flexible learning options, and strong student support, we ensure that you not only gain knowledge but also the confidence and connections to thrive in your career. So what are you waiting for? Your future starts today. Enroll at New Era Institute and take the first step toward your dream career. New Era Institute, your gateway to the future.